Hi, this is Twinkle Kothari and this is my self-intro application for the 107th Peace Boat Voyage. Firstly, I would like to say that I am so excited to even be given an opportunity to be a part of this amazing, magnanimous, beautiful endeavor. Peaceboat seems like an organization that aims at bridging the differences amongst the different countries by just giving the sheer pleasure of traveling and interacting with so many different cultures at a time span of only 3 months. And that in itself is such a commendable feat that I would be nothing short of, blessed to have a chance to be a part of your amazing journey. Telling you about myself, I have done my master's in biotechnology. I come from the science background, but I have been a teacher of the English language since the past 5 years. I am TEFL certified and TESOL Canada certified, and I have been teaching at an institute which aims at sending Indian students abroad. So I have been trained in the competitive teaching for exams like GRE, IELTS, TOEFL, and TOEIC, and specifically IELTS and TOEFL because they involve the reading, listening, writing, and speaking aspects of English. I have followed your model, which is based on the task-based learning style, and that was something that was firmly inculcated within me when we learned the course of ESL teaching, and it's the same concepts that I do apply to my students as well. Task-based learning basically aims at bringing out the learning from within the student by giving them tasks to solve, and I think that's a beautiful methodology to learn from, and it's something that completely fits with the idea of having communicative English knowledge and having the ability to just speak and interact with the people on board as well as the people at ports. I believe I would make a very strong candidate for the same, as I have already been a part of the ESL learning process, and at the same time practice the same kind of values here in my home country of India, which in itself is a land of diversity, culture. We have so many languages. I think every 100 kilometers we have a different language here, making us and I belong to Mumbai, which is like the cosmopolitan capital of this country. I have interacted with people from every sphere and in fact even every country as they come down, and there are some students that I've had international students who I teach. I am a IB international board teacher as well. I have my students who are from American schools and Canadian schools, and I have again taught them, facilitated them rather, in English language and enhancing their vocabulary. Personally, I am very bubbly, fun loving. I love people. I love interactions. I enjoy traveling to the core. I have been a solo traveler for the longest time, and I have traveled to countries like Singapore, Bali, Indonesia, Bali. I've been to Dubai, I've been to Maldives, and I've been to Bhutan as well. Um, I was planning a trip to Vietnam, but sadly, due to the pandemic, that got cancelled. But again, if given an opportunity to be a part of Peace Foot, I cannot even tell you how many dreams of mine will be fulfilled. And I hope that I will get a chance to fulfill the dreams of those on board as well by giving them the communicative skills and the power to speak English. I'd like to show you one of my favorite hobbies, which is reading. And ta-da! These are all the books that I have read in the course of my life. There's like these in the front, and there is like another layer in the back. Plus, I'm a collector of postcards to the places I travel to, and this is like my postcard collection for the same. And I would really like to fill that up even more. That being said, I want to volunteer for Peace Boat because I also believe in all of the amazing endeavors that you carry on, particularly environmental sustainability, human rights, equality, and such. And I'm a firm advocate for the same here back in my country. I am extremely happy that you have the clause of not pertaining only to native speakers and that basically would have gotten me out of the target, as I am from a country called India, who has its first language as Hindi, but I am an English speaker, and I would say that my first language is English, as I have been taught and trained in the same since my childhood. And I have a neutral accent, as you can see, and I think teaching would not be that much of a hassle for me in terms of educating Asians, because I come from the same Asian background as well. That being said, I want to learn a lot from the Peaceport voyage, as there are just so many things that I lack and I would like to know and I would like to imbibe and be a part of, not just in this endeavor but even those in the future. And I really, really, really hope that you consider me to be a part of this journey. I'm extremely excited to be even having a chance to apply with you, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you and be a part of the 107th Peace Boat Voyage. Here's Twinkle saying thank you so much, and I hope I get to come aboard. Bye.